Première Leçon. In French, we have to know all the subjects first. How do we call I, we, you, they, she, it, your, like this? And then we'll go with the conjugation of être verb so that we can start the things very nicely. Okay. In French, if you call about first person is je, it is pronounced as je, je, je. Then it comes tu. You can write in Hindi also if you want to take the help. It is tiu. It is te, a, tiu, tiu. This will be je, tiu. I is e and l is il. And e double l e is l. You can see I is pronounced as e and e is pronounced as a. Je, tu, il, elle, and this is nu. You don't pronounce it as news or now or like this, it is nu. And V-O-U-S, woo. Woo means aap hota hai waise, but I'll go ahead with the things. And then it is I-L-S, no sound of S. It will be all pronounced as ill only. And then it is L. The pronunciation will be L, even though we are ending here S. Je in French means I, and tu means you. That is informal you, that means tum. Il is he. It can be used for it also if the object is masculine. And L is used for she. Even it can be used as it for feminine objects. Then we come to nu. Nu means we. And woo is you. That is aap. Even aap sab. And it is the plural form of tu also. That means tum sab also. Informal plural. Then it comes il. Il is basically, if it is without s, it means he. If it is masculine plural, they means it is for use for masculine. It can be used for objects as well as for the persons. And L is also they. It can be also used for objects as well as for the feminine persons. Okay. Now we'll go again with this. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, and elle. We have to keep on repeating. Je means I, tu is tum, il is he, elle means she, nous means we, you is you, and il means they, elle is they. When we go for the conjugation part, before beginning the first lesson, we have to understand how to conjugate the verb être. Être means to be. Let's see how we can conjugate the verb être. Now we're going like this only. Être is to be. You can write down like être. There is a mark. I'll write it again. This is être. Être means to be. The verb hai. Infinitive form of the verb is être. Now we'll conjugate this verb in affirmative. Affirmative means in affirmative sentence. Like we say, je suis. Je suis means I am. You don't have to pronounce Swiss. It will be suis. Je suis. Je suis. Then it is tu es. Not S. It is tu es. That means you are. It is informal you. That means tum. Il est. Here you can see we are adding another T here. But it is he is. L-A is she is. Then we come to no. No means we. No som. No som means we are. Then it comes woo. Woo's it. Here you can see there is circumflex mark, and S followed with E is always pronounced as Z. We call it as wuzet. Wuzet means you are. It can be plural tum sab, or it can be aap sab or aap also. Like you are a student, you are students, or you are female students or masculine students or plural or tum sab student. It can be aap also, aapo. Then it can be, it is Leçon. There is a nasal sound over here. It is pronounced as son. Il son means they are masculine. And then it comes to L son, that is feminine. They are, this is for masculine, and this will be for feminine. We'll repeat it again. This is for masculine, and this is for feminine. Again, we'll go to pronounce it. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. This will be all pronounced as A, like A we pronounced in English letter A, and then nous sommes. Nous sommes. That is we are. Vous êtes. That is you are. S and E is pronounced as Z. Here are double S, we'll pronounce it as son only. There is a nasal sound over here, son. N is spoken with nose, nasal it is here, also. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. इसका रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ होता है? अब ये तो अभी थोड़ा सा ही हुआ, मैं थोड़ा सा और ले लेती हूँ इसको. ओके. Now we go for the negative sentences of this. We have to make the columns in the conjugation register for making affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Today we'll learn how to make the negative sentence of être verb. The way we had gone earlier, je suis. In French, we have to always use the verb in the middle, and we will use negative like this. Je ne suis pas. That is, I am not. Es-tu dans la classe? Non, je ne suis pas dans la classe. Je suis dans mon maison. Tu n'es pas. There's one more thing to be told actually. That is actually, whenever there are two vowels together, we have to remove one. We use apostrophe over there. So this becomes like this. Tu n'es pas. All right, I'll remove this again. Then it comes to il n'est pas. Again, we have to use vowel here because this is vowel. That is, tu n'es pas means you are not. Il n'est pas means he is not. Elle n'est pas. Elle n'est. Again, we will jointly read it. N'est pas. She is not. Then it is nu na sompa. Here is no vowel because we have to use then full ne. Sompa, that means we are not. Then il na sompa. Again, nasal sound is there. That means they are not. Elles ne sont pas. They are not feminine. Negative. All right. That means affirmative, negative. Now we'll go for interrogative. Interrogative sentences are formed by just like in English we use I am, so we say am I, you are you, he is he. In the same fashion we say je suis. The interrogative of je suis will be suis-je. This will be suis-je, interrogative mark. Es-tu. This is am I, are you. Then it comes to est-il. See here, we will join it again because this is a vowel. Then est-elle. How will you pronounce it? Est-il, est-elle. Est-il, est-elle. Then sommes-nous. Sommes-nous. Then it comes to êtes-vous. Êtes-vous. Then sont-ils. I'll write it again. This is like sont-ils. Again, you will see it. We are joining it together. Sont-ils. And then sont-elles. Sont-elles. That means, am I, are you, is he. Sorry, it's like this. Is he. Then is she. Are we? Are you? Then are they? Masculine. And are they? This will be feminine part. Remember again, suppose I have to ask you, es-tu? Es-tu dans la classe? Oui, je suis dans la classe. Now we'll see that even we are using WH words, like où means where. If I say where are you, I'll say où es-tu? Je suis dans la classe. Es-tu dans la classe? Oui, je suis dans la classe. No, je ne suis pas dans la classe. See, where formation of sentences is formed when you know how to make affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Okay, all right. Now see to it.